Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make glazed chicken. In this saucepan here, I have a quarter cup of white sugar, a, a quarter cup of soya sauce, 2 cloves of garlic been minced, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1 teaspoon of ginger root. I have to boil this over medium heat for 1 minute, and I will brush this over the chicken. Now the glaze is boiling. Boil it for 1 minute. And then shut it off. And I will wipe this chicken. I have chicken legs here. Wipe it off. Put it in here in a dish, in a baking dish. Before I brush the chicken, I will turn the oven into 350 degrees, and I will start brushing the chicken. Turn this other side. and bake this for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. See you guys later. So it's 20 minutes after. I'm gonna turn this chicken and put more glaze. So bake this for another 35 minutes. And while waiting for the chicken to cook, I have these three red potatoes here. I will bake this, put it in a microwave. So it's been washed. And this is the fastest way to bake potatoes. You just use the fork and poke it like this. I'll take this to the microwave. Put this in here. The turntable. Close it. There's a potato. Here's the potato and start. Okay, 56 seconds, 55. The, the baked potato is almost done. Now the potato is cooked. Open that. So I will. I'm gonna take this, put it here. Now we're gonna have baked potato ready for supper. Let's check the chicken if it's ready. Oh, looks like it's ready. This one here. Yeah, it is ready. There's no more blood. Let's eat, guys. I wanna taste the chicken. What it tastes like. Let's taste the chicken. Yum yum, eh?
Yum yum.
Mm-hmm. I do like your chicken.
Very good.
Very good, eh?
Very good.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And see you again on my next video.
Have a good one.
Bye-bye.